we're testing a product I found on Etsy. There are a lot of versions of this, so if you want me to test more, follow me on Amazon and let me know in the comments down below. First, you want to saturate your shirt completely with whatever spray you're using. Then we're going to use our heat press to dry it. I just keep my heat press set at 400 degrees because that's what I need for when I'm actually going to sublimate. Then we're going to saturate it again, and then we're going to dry it again. Typically when the steam stops rising, that's when the shirt is dry. Now we're going to download a design from the Auntie membership. Now sublimate your shirt. If you need help with this part, the first video of this series will walk you through all the things that you need to be able to sublimate. Once it's done, we're going to wash this to make sure that it works. And the moment of truth, here is how the final test looks. I think I like it.